Morning. What a lovely smell. Thankfully YouTube doesn't do smell-o-vision yet because it smells like caca. It's a strong hint of sulphur in the air, let's put it that way. Nice. But not going to let that put me off. It's my last full day in Sao Miguel Island, so let's get adventuring. Down at the lakeside, Lagoa das Furnas, and behind me this is where you can see all the steam coming out of the ground. This is also where they cook a lot of the food, some food underground, which is heated for about 7 hours, cooked for 7 hours, and then you can eat it. I'm going to try that if I can find where to get that from, but let's have a little walk around. It looks pretty cool. And this is definitely where the smell was coming from. It absolutely stinks of sulphur. Right, let's go. Okay, I thought it smelled worse. I thought it smelled bad over there, but I'm now right at the source, and it stinks. Not too sure I want to eat here now. This is where they're cooking some of the grub. And the food is lowered, is like in these big metal pots, and they're lowered into the ground, and they're cooked over several hours. That was awesome. I've had to come down the lake just to get a bit of fresh air. I started to feel a bit woozy standing in there filming. But you can see actually why they don't want you to swim in the lakes around here, because look, even on the lake, it's, you can see that. That's the lake, and it is bubbling actually inside in the lake itself. So yeah, not going to be taking a dip anytime soon. I think I'm now going to take a walk around to the town of Furnas, which I think is around there. I don't think it's too far, so I'm just going to take a quick hike around and see what I can see in there. Right. There is randomly loads of cats around here. Cat, meow. Cat, well, that's a duck. There's 2 cats. Cat, well. What do you think? Just stopped to have a bit of lunch, and I'm being stalked by a duck. Do I have something in my teeth? Right. either that's blown here in a hurricane or something, or somebody's actually put a trampoline next to the river. Okay. Right, now in the town of Furnas, or Furnas, however you want to pronounce it. It seems a really nice, quaint little town. Managed to find their stadium. Pretty cool backdrop. We'd love to play there. Yeah, lovely little place. Very quiet, very quaint. It's now going to explore around it, see what I can see. Right, now at Terra Nostra garden thermal pool. So take a dip. This is the line. Chilling in brown water. It's far more relaxing than it sounds. Right, let's see what else they got. Ooh, jacuzzis. Man, I feel amazing after that. Yeah, this is Parque Terra Nostra. It's €8 to get in, and then you got the that jacuzzi, the little jacuzzi, the thermal bath, big brown pond, and this whole area you can walk around. Yeah, it's really, really nice here. There is a hotel just back there. I think it's like £100 a night though, so I'm not staying there. But yeah, this place is amazing. It's now 3:30, and my car is up on that mountain all the way down towards the lake and then up that mountain. So I best get a move on. So now I'm gonna have to run to the car. How'd you get out of here? Ooh, look at that. Pretty. Anyway. Why did I have to put the up part at the end of the day? Whew. Made it. Note to self, in future put the up part at the beginning of the day. Whew. That was a bit of a slog in the end. It doesn't help when you're knackered going up, taking long deep breaths, and then you just get a big gob full of sulfur fumes. Yeah, cheers nature. Yeah, I really needed that. Oh, what to do now? It's what? 10 to 5. So I've got an hour of sunlight left. it's probably a good time to mention the fact that my little boo-boo, I had a message from the guy who owns the Airbnb last night asking what time I was checking out this morning, and I'm like, wait a minute. So double check my details and I got the dates wrong, so I'm currently homeless. Couldn't find any decent hotels down in Furnas that were not ridiculously expensive. So I don't know yet. I don't know what I'm going to do. I might just kip in the Captur again. But we'll see. I'm going to go find some food, I think, or just chill out. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll figure something out. I always do. Still then. Alright, been out and got something to eat, and been to the shop and got myself some supplies, but I've now pulled over and so I can watch the game. Yeah, this is what people do on their holiday, isn't it? Hang out in cars watching football on their phone. Oh well. Yeah, I'm just going to watch the match and then head back out to pretty much go full circle and sleep where I slept the first night, and then get up early in the morning and hike up to that view that was just covered in cloud on the first day, because I really, one of the things coming here is I wanted to get that view. So I'm going to make it my last thing on the island, is trying to get there with a clear sky. But that's it for tonight. I'm just going to chill out in the car and kip in the Captur, and that's it. See you tomorrow.